Hello. Well, we're going to be looking at something a little bit different today. Electric bike, look. Don't know the age. I imagine they're quite old. These one of first gen type. It is an IZIP. Not sure the manufacturer. I know Schwinn made something similar to these. They are made in the USA. But yeah, it's in a sorry state. It was thrown out. But I mean, brakes work, front and back. This has the motor externally. It's not a hub motor as such, and it's powered by a chain drive to a separate sprocket. Now we haven't got a charger, so the batteries are enclosed in here. So I took them out, the two 12 volts sealed batteries, and charged them up. Put them back in, turn the power on, and well, look, take a look at this. If I can hold it all together. And yeah. Oh, it works. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do some work on it though. So the gears aren't working for some reason. I've tried selecting them and adjusting them, but I don't know what's going on with them. To have a proper look at those. The actual throttle, whoops, the actual throttle was all cracked, the plastic, so I've had to tape it up. It seems to be doing its job. Did have indicator lights on the battery condition here, but obviously you can't see them now. But I think we can get one of them if need be. But it's not an actual throttle. When I had it apart, it's more of an on-off switch really. Couldn't see any way that it adjusts the speed. We'll just try again. Oh, I don't know, look, yeah, it is, that's slow. Yeah, stand corrected on that then. It is a throttle as such, because it just looked like an on-off switch. We have got a seat, haven't got it available at the moment. There's a bit of surface rust on it here and there, but you know, it's a bit on the floor. It's not too bad. Put a bit of wind in the tyres and they seem to have stopped up. This one needs putting on properly. It's a bit wobbly, it's not sitting in the beading properly. But yeah, we've got a bit of a rat going on. I can't see with my eyes. It's not Swings, it's Comma or something like that. Currie, I don't know. Somebody up correct me, I'm sure. But yeah, need to get that seat on and see if it works. But it's alright for nothing, isn't it? Somebody's thrown it out. Obviously, wow, maybe they'd lost the charger and they couldn't charge it, didn't know how to. But the battery box wants sorting actually. I mean, it's not going anywhere, but the screws are stripped. There's only really the handle that holds it together. But yeah, something to work on, isn't it? Okay, I'm going to try and ride it. It hasn't got a seat, but if I think I can sit on the battery box. Let's see. Wish me luck. yeah, well, it works. It works. Can't complain at that, can you, for nothing? It pulled me along anyway. Not ideal sitting on the battery box, but hey, we've got to test these things. So yeah, I think we'll get back to this after we've sorted a few things out. Try and get them gears sorted. I mean, like I say, we haven't got a battery charger, but I think we can rig something up there, save taking the battery apart to charge it. So yeah, next time you'll see it, hopefully, it'll be working fine. It's working now, innit, but you know. Anyway, if anybody knows the exact make of this or anything about them, when they were made and anything like that, leave it in the comments and it'll be of help. I mean, I'm not sure what size this. Are they a 250, a 350? What motor? I don't know. But anyway, there it is, IZIP, electric bike. Okay, we have got these to put on today. We've got a new shifter. I mean, it says Shimano, but to be quite honest, I don't think it is. Yeah, it is an indexing one, but I don't think it's Shimano. But we'll get that put on. And we've also got a Shimano Tawny. I know it's the cheaper one, but hopefully it'll work. My plan is to take these wheels off so as not to I won't have to split the chain then. I'll be able to put the chain in, put the wheels back in. Hopefully, anyway, like I say, that's my plan for today. So yeah, let's see how it goes. See if it goes according to plan. We will see. Okay, so that wasn't too bad. All I really had to do was remove this bottom wheel, thread the chain behind it and put it back in. Didn't have to remove the top one, and yeah, that seems to do the job. All we have to do now is attach this into here, which is pretty straightforward, I think. Not sure what angle you have to go at on here. Is there a set point? I don't know. Well, it's on. I might have to adjust the angle of it because I'm not sure where it's supposed to sit. The cable's going to come down here, so I'm not sure yet. I might have to adjust that. But now we've got the shifter fitted, and see if I can do this with one hand. All I have to do is route the cable from it, the inner cable, down the old outer cable, and that should come out the other end down here. We'll see. Well, it's on and connected. It's not selecting all the gears yet. I'm missing the top and the bottom really, so got a bit of fine tuning to do. I think probably with the highs and lows, and maybe a bit more tension on the cable, I think. We'll have to see. Anyway, I'm not going to do that now. I'll come back to it after we've done that. Hopefully we'll have a full set of gears.